Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix Eufy Security mobile app if it's not working properly. Solution 1. Update the Eufy Security app. The first step is to ensure you are using the latest version of the app. Open the App Store, tap on the search icon in the bottom right, and look for the Eufy Security app. If you see an update option next to the app, just tap it to update to the latest version. Solution 2. Clear the Eufy Security app cache. If uploading doesn't solve the issue, clearing the app cache might help. Go to General inside the device settings and select iPhone storage. Find the Eufy Security app and tap on it. Once you're there, select Offload app and confirm after it processes. After it processes, tap the reinstall button to reload the app. This should resolve the issue. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the Eufy Security app. If clearing the cache still doesn't fix the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Navigate to the app settings, tap Delete app to remove it from your device, and then go back to App Store, search for the Eufy Security app, and tap Get to reinstall it, and this should fix the Eufy Security mobile app. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.